Point number 30, hear the audio recordings of the authentic scholars and orators. You may be in the car and traveling. It's a good opportunity. While driving, you can hear the audio. You may be doing some exercise. You may be jogging. At that time, you can hear the lecture and increase your knowledge. Point number 31, read the seerah, the biography of the beloved Prophet Muhammad. And one of the good biographies that you can read is the Rahiq al-Maktoum, the sealed nectar, which is written by Sheikh Safiur Rahman Mubarakpuri. It is one of the best seerah that's available. Point number 32, spend more time with your family. When you spend more time with your family, doesn't mean that you go out more with them shopping all the 10 days. Yes, if you want to shop just before Eid and buy them good clothes, etc., no problem, but not all 10 days, not going for outing. When I say spend more time with the family, that along with your family, you read the Quran, you read the seerah of the Prophet, attend Islamic program of authentic scholars and authentic orators, watch the video recordings of authentic orators on various platforms, social media platforms, hear the audio together, spend time, discuss with them, talk to them about the good deeds to be done in the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, about the Sunnah of the Prophet, read the translation of the Quran. This time, you are doing a Venn diagram. Besides doing the ibadah, you are asking your family to do the ibadah. And the Prophet said that the best amongst the Muslims is the one who's best to his family, especially his wife. So spend more time with your family and encourage them to come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Point number 33, do not waste a single minute during all these first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Point number 34, be cheerful and happy during all these 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. And point number 35, see to it that you behave with the people around you with love, affection and care. This was in short the 35 important acts and deeds to be done during the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah.